跟这些什么一样吗？我这边需要用。你刚刚可以开过去。
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our Worldskill Asia Skill Games 2021. Okay, Skill Trade 05, Mechanical Engineering CAD, category Junior. Okay, so let's I introduce myself. Okay? I'm Junita. Okay, will be your chief expert for this competition. Okay, from Malaysia. Okay, so this competition will be takes place for 3 days totally. Okay, total 3 days. Which is today will be your familiarization day. Tomorrow your competitions day, and another. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay. So if you see, there is this schedule already passed to your experts. Okay. So there will be the familiarization for today. Tomorrow the competition day 1, and C+1 for assessment marking. So they will be for all the experts, only for the experts. Okay. Okay, so before we start our familiarization, I would like to you competitor and the expert to introduce yourself. Okay. Introduce yourself. Okay, actually before that we have total numbers of participants. Okay, for this competition. Actually okay, so if you see here, okay, you can see my screen or not? Can see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so there's for junior, for the upper list is for the youth. This is from last week, from 2nd to 5th August. So now for ours, junior skill, okay, from started today from 9 to will be end until 12. Okay. So there will be 4 countries we will participate. Okay. From Russia, UAE, Malaysia, and Chinese Taipei. Okay. This hopefully this name is your name. Okay, you can go to. And also we have another expert from the junior. Okay. So here Taiwan, Malaysia, Russia, and AE. Okay. So we introduce ourselves. Okay. Can we start from UAE team?
Hi, my name is Rashid Al-Swedi. Hi, my name is Rashid Al-Swedi. I'm from the United Arab Emirates. And my expert is Mr.
Hello, this is Abdul Main, expert of UAE team, and we're glad to be in this competition with you guys.
Are you staying in the same places with your competitor?
No, we're not.
No?
Yeah, but I think there's a problem with we were gonna fix it now in his computer, so we're just gonna work on it now. Thank you.
Oh. So
now?
yeah.
Yes, hi, my name is Rashid Al-Swedi. I am the competitor from the United Arab Emirates.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. So the next team, Russia.
Hello, my name is Yuri. I'm computer from Russia.
How old are you?
Hello, my name is Valeria. I'm expert from Russia. It's our first time international championship.
Where is the expert from Russia? I didn't see your face. Can you please? Expert. We need to see your face. Okay, and for now, tomorrow also, actually, when you stay with the competitor, okay, we need to see you, okay? We need to see you, okay? Because we have the times when you will be with your competitor, and during the competition, you're not allowed with your competitor, okay?
Okay, yes, I understand, okay.
Okay, thank you. And so the next from Taiwan. Chinese Taipei. Okay, can you introduce yourself and your team, please? Sorry, we didn't hear you. No? Cannot hear you.
It's okay?
Okay, good, thanks.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Rom, the expert from Taiwan. This is my first time for me to join WSA. It's my pleasure to be here and with you. Oh, I hope we have a great working experience together. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you. And your competitor? What's your competitor?
Yes, it's another room. Thank you.
Yeah, there's a but I didn't see him. Where is he? Yes.
Okay.
You will be with your competitor?
Chiyu.
Yeah. Chiyu.
Wait me a second. The meaning?
自我介绍，大家有没有？那你那边，
Okay. You can introduce yourself? No? Or shy?
Sorry, I say he can speak English.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You can, yeah.
Sorry, 没关系，我讲。
Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Okay, we go to the next team. Okay, from Malaysia.
Hello everyone, good day to all of you. How are you doing?
Okay, we go for the expert first. Okay, please. Yeah.
Hello, good day everyone. Can you guys hear me?
Not so clear, Mr. Imran. Yeah.
I think there is something wrong with my internet connection right now.
Okay, you can proceed, no problem.
没有侦测到。
I'm sorry about that. I'll try to fix it for tomorrow and the day after. So welcome everyone to virtual Malaysia. So this time we are meeting you guys online, and I'm Imran, expert from Malaysia. I hope this session, of course, even myself also, I'm new to this Worldskill Asian Junior. We hope we can give the best for this competition and have a very nice and smooth flow in this competition. Right, so all the best to all the competitors and also to the experts.
Okay, so the competitor.
Hi, my name is Quincy. I'm 15 years old and this is my first time joining WSA. I hope everyone has fun.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so hope these competitions will give your very good experience for your and then if you can use for the future, for example. Okay, and okay, for today actually we need to check. Okay, our team will check all the camera setting. Okay, for the camera setting later on. But before we start, okay, I would like to go through, okay, our skill management plan, okay, with the skill specific rules, okay. This one actually I will pass. Also, I will pass to to the experts, okay, to go through all the requirements, okay, during the competition. Okay, so important remarks, okay, the main communication platform will be Zoom, okay, and we will going to use Google Drive will be used for data transfer. And the third one, competitor can be in the workshop or at home, okay? And main equipment for competitor. So this one to make sure, okay? That's why I need to remind you, okay? So there will be one PC for competitor with install AutoCAD Inventor Professional 2021 with the English versions. Okay, PDF viewer, Autodesk Design Review, Microsoft. Okay, I think I miss better to share. Okay, okay, you see? Let's see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, so this one. Okay. So the important equipment is the Autodesk Inventor Professional 2021 software, English version, PDF viewer, Autodesk Design Review, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, screen capture software, as OBS, Autodesk Screencast or Bodycam, okay, and internet connection. Okay, we advise you to use a cable, is the better, okay, and then printer A4 or A3 if needed, because when we pass the question to you, you can print it, okay, the drawing if you want, okay. And there is a OBS studio capturing for 2 display, okay. So hope you already done this one and you can capture according to this tutorial, okay. And the second one for competitor camera, okay, there will be front viewer, okay, make sure later on we need to check it like that, okay. One PC for laptop or smartphone with camera and internet connections. The best way is to use a web camera connected with main competitor PC for communication between competitor and SMT, okay, in Zoom that directly from workplace, okay. And the second camera, okay, we need that the web camera or camera laptop which focus on the workplace or the competitor, table, keyboard, PC box, screen, and printer. It is better to place camera in the side and little bit back and up from the competitor. This is an example, okay? This is an example which is we need to see, okay? We need to see this environment, okay? So make sure the second computer, okay, workshop camera setup, okay, can follow this one, okay, and the competitor camera, okay. So when you are together with your experts, okay, so make sure in here we can see both the expert and the competitor. And these two camera need to open all the time during the competition. Okay. Okay, the next one for the expert. Expert can be in the workshop or at home. For example, like UAE, you are not at the same place with the competitor. Also, as Malaysia, they are not stay at the same place also. Okay, so they are at the different places. Okay, he can communicate with competitor in briefing time only. Okay, in front of the camera if expert in the workshop. Like the Russia, okay, you can communicate with competitor in briefing time only in front of the camera. Okay, so meaning that we need to see you both, okay, during the briefing time. Okay, so during breaks and competitor lunchtime, okay, the skill management team need to see expert in the front of camera in the workshop. Okay, meaning during break, okay, this only competitor go for break. Okay, and the expert need to stay in front of camera. Okay, so this for the expert, okay, which is stay in the workshop. Okay, expert will stay in the workshop. They need to stay in front of camera in the workshop. Okay? So for those at home, okay, expert is at home. He can communicate with competitor during briefing. Okay? During briefing time only using another communication platform. Okay, Skype, Google Meet, MS Team, or maybe you can use the like WhatsApp WhatsApp phone, okay, video camera, okay, also possible, okay, but must be parallel with the Zoom. So you cannot leave the Zoom communication room, okay, you cannot leave the Zoom, but we need to see you communicate with the competitor, okay, in front of the camera, okay. Which meeting in Zoom and with screen sharing. Okay, so SMT can see communication process in Zoom without sound. Competitor can share his screen and can show element of the test project to his expert using another platform. Okay, but he cannot send anything. Okay, make sure the competitor can send anything to experts, okay, because okay the OBS will capture, okay, whatever document in and out, okay, so we judges will check it during the our marking process, okay, we will check that one. Okay, to make sure, okay, that's why I say that make sure there is no document, okay, in and out, okay, during this time. Okay. During competitor lunch time and break, okay, so even though expert is at home, okay, so expert must make sure during competitor lunch time or break, okay, he must stay in front of the camera, okay, you still need to stay in front of the camera. So there is no communication between expert and competitor during the break. Okay. And it is recommended to check camera position and screen recording software before competition. Okay. So today we spend a bit, okay, spend time a bit for check all this process, okay, together, okay, just to make sure during the competition there is no problem with sending download or upload the file to the cloud, okay. And software need to produce record for all day in one file or number of file. Means during the competition, okay, when we say that please record your screen on your screen OBS, so you need to open it, okay, and so there will be stop, okay, after all the process completed, meaning after end of the day, after you complete your test project and you already upload your work to the storage, and then okay you stop your OBS, okay, and after you stop you send it to storage also. There will be a cloud storage, temporary personal cloud storage, okay, for every competitor. Okay, the next one, all team will get text of each module, okay, 12 to 14 hours before module start using common chat. Okay, this one meaning that, okay, today, tomorrow, we will start our competition at, for example, at 14 hours, okay, and then so we counted the number of hours to pass the text, right, for translation to the expert between this duration, okay, 12 to 14 hours. Mean might be expert will receive the text, okay, translation text in 1 hours, okay, 1 o'clock morning, okay, or 12, okay, this midnight, okay, and without any specific information, okay, like a value, the name, and we get completed task in English in the beginning of competition day, okay. But whatever we send it tomorrow before the competition on these hours is only for translation. However, you still receive the original or the completed task, okay, during the competition, okay. So you can compare and you can follow. You can yes, you can compare it during the common briefing will be reduced to 15 minutes, no delay for translation during competition day, okay. So we have to make sure there is no delay, so all the translation must be done before the competition, okay. So during the briefing, only the minor translation will be done by your interpreter, okay. So for today, okay, C-1, Monday, 9 August 2020, okay, the skill specific item, okay. So now we are in this area, okay. So you are in connecting Zoom, and make sure, okay, the name of competitors, okay, in the Zoom is same as a competitor, like a country name, country code, and category, or the scope name is competitor, okay, and your position. Sorry, this is your position, this competitor. And then the name for your workshop camera in Zoom, okay, you can put it your workshop manager names with the country codes and with the workshop WM means that workshop manager, okay. So there's a post. Might be you use your IT personnel, okay, to handle your camera setting and so on. So you can put it here as his name, okay? Or maybe you can IT, country code, and WM, also possible, okay? But because we need to this one, when we want to allow you to come into communication Zoom, okay? So our team will check whether there is all the info same or not, okay? And the name of expert, this is also important, okay? In Zoom communication room, with the name of your expert, okay? Country code and the position, okay? And also for interpreter, okay? So I not put it here, but it's similar process, okay? Name, country code, and position interpreter, okay? Otherwise, you will not be allowed to come into Zoom communication, okay, by our team. Okay. Okay, we need to check, okay, later on. I finish up all the explanation first, okay? Later on, this will be passed to our team to handle, okay, to check all your position network, the position camera, okay? Okay, so the next one, during for today, okay, competitor, okay, you can finish workplace preparing earlier, okay? So no need to stay until the end because the allocated time, okay, here actually at 19 hours, okay? But you no need to wait if, okay, if you already completed, okay? So you can finish workplace preparing earlier and leave Zoom communication room, but need to report to SMT about this, okay? After, okay, which is after completed the testing process. You need to test the download and upload documents, okay? Because tomorrow we need to pass, okay, all the question papers, okay, the test project through the Zoom communication room and through the chat, okay? So you need to try this one by today. And after completed, okay, you success and you can try record and upload screen recording, okay? Whether that one, the process is smooth or not, okay? And, okay, okay, this one no more on during our familiarization, okay? They will be checked by our team later on, okay? Now I want to go to the next, okay, for tomorrow, okay, for tomorrow. Okay, for tomorrow at the beginning, the process is similar, okay? Actually, just to check whether you are follow the instruction or not, okay? All the setting, set up your camera is similar to what we stated and what I'm informed just now, okay? And afterwards, okay, we go for the briefing, okay? So this briefing is open communication on module and question and answer session, okay? Which is this during this time, there's no the drawing or the support document related to the test project, okay? It's only the question paper with the text, but complete version. Whereas you maybe see the actual name of the product, the view, the pictures, the graphics or the figure, all that one in this question paper. Okay, so all competitor and expert are in the same Zoom communication room and mute during the communication common briefing and in the question and answer session. Okay. But as I said, because I already passed the question paper for translation, So this one will take place about 15 minutes only. Okay, it's not too long. Yeah, and so the second one, okay, download the task project. Okay, after completed, okay, the briefing, the first step, we go to the next step, which is then in this next step, our team, okay, technical team, we send you a link, okay, for download the test project, okay, of the day using Zoom private chat, okay. So this one we will go to individual. Okay, we go to individual according to country. Okay, and so competitor need to do by themselves. Okay, expert cannot help. Okay, cannot assist. Okay, the competitor. Okay, during this time, okay, only competitor alone. Okay, so they can communicate with the technical team or with the interpreter through the Zoom communication room only for the translation. Okay, but expert cannot stay together with the competitor during this time. Okay, and all the link will be shared, competitor chat room. Okay, competitor attempt download and solve main PC download when you complete the download. Okay, so the Google Drive link will be disabled after downloading. Okay, then after completed this one, okay, we go to the next step, which is a communication between expert and competitor. Okay, it takes about 15 minutes, which is okay on this during this time. Okay, expert can go to competitor workplace. Okay, and they can communicate. Okay, can communicate. You can see the test project. Okay, because in this time we are already passed the test project to the competitor and they already download. Okay, you can see it. Okay, so all competitor and expert are in the same Zoom communication room and mute during common briefing. So if this one for the expert, if they are not stay with the competitor. Okay, so during the time you can still ask the question, no problem. Okay, so we will start tomorrow. It's around 14-15 hours. Okay, so this as a similar. Okay, the expert at home, you can just disable microphone and camera without Zoom communication room. But actually, expert needs to stay in the Zoom communication room because okay, as I passed already the task, okay, which is we need to monitor and we need to stay for the timekeeper. Okay, there is a team. Okay, I give already the team. Okay, group 1 and group 2. Okay, which is we start before the break with the group 1 and after the break with the group 2. Okay, so we need to communicate. The expert need communicate among the team whether you want to go out and might be you ask someone to back up. Okay, because we are not many groups. Okay, we just have the 4 country. So we need to plan together. Okay, and so just follow until the end. Continue with the competitions. Okay, so during the competition time, make sure okay all of you didn't go to the competitor. If you are in the workplace, okay, please don't go to competitor. Even your IT or workshop manager also don't disturb the competitor. Just let them do their own do their works by their own. Okay, so we need to give them trust and test, okay, during the competition. Okay. Okay, so the break will be at 17 for half an hour. Okay, this is a break time. Okay, might be Russia and UAE. Okay, AE. With AE, there will be a lunch time for them. Okay, but for us in Malaysia and Chinese Taipei will be break times. Okay, tea time. Okay, so they continue competitive workings hours until for estimated at 17:45 estimated. Okay, to finish on this time. Okay, if don't have any problems, okay, we will finish this. Okay, and okay, after that, after once you are complete, okay, once you the time is finished, okay, the competitor compress the file. Okay, the competitor need to compress the file using maybe a Zoom, a zip or RER. Okay, and you have to upload. Okay, the team will send you again. Will send you the link. Okay, to the competitor, and the competitor need to upload the file according to the given link. Okay, because they will be individual link. Okay, given to you, and this is for transfer your work. Okay, transfer your work. Okay, so using a single file, zip or RNR, okay, preferable, because otherwise it will take longer time to transfer. Okay, but on this case, okay, competitors are responsible on their file transferring into the cloud storage. This is your responsibility. That's why today during our conversation, you need to test it. Okay, you need to test, and our team will give a response to you whether you're transferring or downloading, upload the file success or not. Okay, if everything okay, so because we are already ran last week, there's no problem actually. Okay, there's no problem. We don't have any problem during transferring file and those things. Okay, so hopefully this week also, okay, for this competition also we can solve it. No, we very smooth. Okay, transfers very smoothly. Okay. Okay, this one our team. Okay, digital workshop manager. We confirm the file size with computer after some transferring completed. Okay, or you normally you will say it whether you already done. Okay, you need to respond at done upload or not. Okay, so our team will check. Okay. Okay, and then so this time, okay, during this process, okay, your OBS still on, okay, still work, okay, your OBS still work. Okay, then after you just finish all this process, then you can stop screen recording. Okay, stop screen recording and then upload screen record, okay, to cloud storage. Also, the link will be given. Okay. You will confirm with our team later. Okay. Okay, so this time our break. Okay, so the next day for C+1. Okay, Tuesday 5 August. This one is not very important for you. This involve expert only. Okay, so your competitor will be end in the second day. For tomorrow, only one day. Okay. So this day, the judges, the expert will take care all your competitor work and to mark. Okay, to do the assessment. Okay, so there's a marking process, and this one is similar to the next. Actually, we try to make it for one day. Okay, hopefully we can finish it within one day. Okay, so That's all. Any question for this one? Do you have any question? No? Everyone clear? Okay. So everyone clear. I think we need to proceed to the next, okay, with the your familiarization. Okay. So we pass to our team to handle, to check all your camera, okay. To see a competitor camera both side, okay. And also you can download, okay. Later on our team will pass to you the document, sample document for you to download and try to upload to the according to the link given, okay. We want to check it, okay, that one. Okay, okay team, you are ready? Team. Russia competitor. Can I have your second camera? Where your second camera on? Can you on your second camera? Okay, so your camera need to open all the time, okay, during the competitions, okay, both the competitor workplace and competitor camera and the workplace camera. Okay, so this setting is good. I think it's okay. And another where is Malaysia? Malaysia is okay. Malaysia, could you move your workshop camera a bit apa ni? A bit pada ke belakang. Okay, and then you move it up, focus the up ke atas. No, atas sikit dia punya tu. Itu okay. Atau ke belakang sikit boleh tak? Okay, okay. Okay. And okay, Taiwan. Okay, they go both. Okay, ready. And AE, you have a second camera? Do you have a second camera?
Yes, Miss, there is two.
Kenapa? Kacau kita punya dia. Oh. Okay, kita cakap lah ni. Sekejap. Ni AE ni dulu. AE.
Hi, Lucia. I need to know how the second camera you are connect to one PC or second PC.
There is two PCs, one for the main camera and the second is the laptop. It's two different accounts.
No AE to AE. You are okay. AE, you are okay. But the Russia. Where's the expert? Russia expert. Please answer my team question, please.
Actually, we need you follow the setting for, like example for AE, UAE, and Malaysia
Taiwan.
and Taiwan. Russia, you can you proceed? The issue is now for your second camera only.
Where's your expert? Russia computer. Can I speak to your expert, please?
Mr. Shamal? You hear, Mr. Shamal?
Mr. Shaman? Okay, could you pass? Yeah.
We can proceed to sharing folder.
And then for the expert, Russia expert, we need you. Okay, we need you to explain related to the camera setting. Tak pun ni dia hold on. My technical team will talk to you.
May I say? We have a little technical problem, 5 minutes, and everything will go okay.
Thank you, RU team. Thank you.
Boleh kata apa?
Ya, ada technical problem sikit.
So, Mr. Shamal can proceed to next step. Right, thank you.
Okay, you can try to upload any documents, okay, a sample document only, no problem, you can upload it. Try to upload using the link given to individual folder, okay, at the chat, okay, you see at the chat. Okay?
Yes. Our digital manager try to decide this problem in a half hour. Is this okay? Our digital manager try to decide this problem. It is takes a half of hour. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, competitors. We received your test file. Thank you very much. Okay, competitors, now you can stop your OBS recording and you can copy the recording and put to your folder. Thank you. We will just to make sure your recording screen is properly. Thank you.
都学会是吗？
嗨，
可以知道你们是一台电脑，然后连2个荧幕。
对，yes yes，
可以确保荧幕可以看到2个画面吗？
他说什么？荧幕可以看到
荧幕可以看到2个画面，
两个，
可以看到，就是同时看到你设的2个电脑。
设定两个电，设置两个电脑。
就是你是设置
两个镜头啊，然后一头是2个镜头。
我希望可以看到我们正荧幕跟背荧幕是同一台。
那个青海，你刚刚说那个我们第2个背部的镜头设置中，
OK，那我要看一下。
Hello, this is the interpreter from Taiwan team. Our back camera is in the process of setting. Can you please give us a few minutes, please? Thank you so much.
可以感觉很高。
巨龙刚刚长见的光。
哎，这是第1个吗？你问他这样可不可以？
Hello, this is from Taiwan team. We're wondering if the setup is okay. Okay, hold on a second.
Actually, there is some echo on your microphone. There's some
Set up
echo.
microphone.
Okay, so we were wondering if the setup is all right for a competitor. Okay, thank you so much.
So we just waiting from TW team. Recording is, I believe, is still process. Right. So after this, we have done for the technical checking. All right. So after the Taiwan team send the pre-recording, we pass back to Juan Junita. Thank you. Okay, TW, thank you. Be noted. Your pre-recording. Thank you very much. Now we just finished the technical setting. All right. Thank you very much. So see you tomorrow. We pass back to Madam Junita. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you to all the competitor. You done the testing. Okay. So I think we don't need to stay for a long time in our Zoom communication room anymore. Later on, you can do your practice for tomorrow offline, no problem. Okay, because we done everything. Hopefully, all this process will run smooth during our competition day tomorrow. Okay, so without further ado, I think we can stop here. Just I wish you good luck for tomorrow. So take rest, okay? The competitor, okay? Just don't too stressed, because make it enjoy for tomorrow, okay? We are here not to stress you, don't bother about the test project, okay? It is for the learning, one of the learning process, okay? So I think we will see tomorrow at the same time, so 1:15, okay, hours, okay? Good luck, everybody. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.